Hey, this is Ben. I have this light bulb changer. This was sent to me by the company for a review, and I'm getting compensated for this video. In the box, we have the suction cup. We have the long thread, which is used to hook onto the wire to help detach it. This is a dust cloth. The dust cloth fits over the top of the suction cup just like that, and the purpose of this is to wipe off the dust from the light bulb so that you can get a good clean suction on it. I do have an old broom handle. Unscrew this, screw this in, and then tighten this down so that it's sure not to come loose. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate this. Clean it off. You can use the dust cover to dust off the light. And then what you're going to want to do is take off the dust cover, and then you press the suction cup up onto the light bulb. Press it firmly. Use this to twist off. And then when you're ready to put the new light bulb on, carefully put it into place, twist it tight. And then when you're ready to detach the suction cup, you're going to pull on the string to loosen the suction cup, and it'll detach. And that's all there is to it. It's really pretty simple. Get this tightened up. All right. Great. It works great. This is a great product. Like, it worked really well. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.